Hey Jens, I'm here to talk to you about Symmetry Destination 17. Anyways, a few questions for you. You tired of going on all expense paid trips? Have you had it with breathtaking views and being waited on hand and foot? Are you fed up with five-star cuisine? Have you just had it up to here with craft cocktails? Are you bored of fear bonding with all your buddies on a sick adventure? If you answered yes to any of these questions, you might have a serious problem and you should seek help immediately. All right, for the rest of you normals, as you know, one of the many perks of this industry is the world-class travel. Many of you will qualify for more than one insurance company trip this year. In 2016 alone, we're going to be traveling to St. Lucia, Maui, Ireland, and a few other awesome places. Now that's with just our insurance carriers. As you know, being a Symmetry agent has its own perks, Symmetry Destinations. This is our very own annual private trip just for you, the Symmetry family, where we pull all of your production with all of the carriers to count towards qualifying. Now in years past, Symmetry Destinations has taken you on, a crappy cruise. Now that was our first trip. We only had like 8 agents. We had no budget, but we did see dolphins, so it wasn't all that bad. Then we went to the Riviera Maya. We've been to Costa Rica together, Alaska, St. Thomas. In 2016, Symmetry Destination will be taking you, 80 of you guys, to Dorado Beach, Puerto Rico. Actually, he's wrong. Again, there's almost 100 of us going. We're going to be staying at the Ritz-Carlton Reserve. Now, there's only 4 of these in the entire world. Now, granted, there's only like 4 Thunderbird motels left in the entire world as well, but this is going to be way different, we promise. Needless to say, Symmetry Destinations have gotten much better. They are now the most anticipated trip of the year. And trust me, Destination 17 will be no different. Now, as you know, we're taking you to the 5-star, 5-diamond LeBlanc Resort and Spa in Cancun, Mexico. Now, Brandon, Brian, and myself have actually been here a couple times, and we chose this place because every time we go, we say, we just have to bring you guys, we have to bring our agents back here. TripAdvisor rated LeBlanc #2 all-inclusive resort in the entire world. Actually, it's a super inclusive. It's so inclusive, just leave your wallet at home. Heck, you could probably leave your clothes at home. No, keep the clothes? Keep the clothes. You should probably take those. But the staff to person ratio is like 2 to 1. Each room has its own personal attendant. Each room is an ocean view suite. One of the best spas in the entire world. It's amazing food. Swim-up bars, white sand, beautiful beaches. Now you might be asking, well, how do I qualify for said trip? Well, we're going to show you. We're going to give you 2 ways to qualify, either as a producer in the producer circle or as an agency builder in the leader circle. Now this contest is going to roll through the end of the year, and it is prorated, so if you join Symmetry a little bit later in the year, don't worry, we've adjusted the production accordingly for you. Now, for all the details, you can check out the dedicated destinations page on our website, but for now, here's just a quick snapshot of the requirements. Our destinations are a point-based contest. If you get the points, then we're going to take you on the trip. Your points are based on annual premium volume. So if you write an application for, let's say, $1,000 of annual premium, which is about average, you're going to get 1,000 points towards the contest. In both the producer circle and the leader circle, you're going to receive 500 points for each new agent that you hire. Also, in the leader circle, you're going to be awarded points based on your agency's volume. So, to qualify in the producer circle, you're going to need 300,000 points. And to qualify for the leader circle, you're going to need 750,000 points. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. That seems like a good amount of points. 2 things to think about. First, the idea of destination trip, this whole trip, is to reward outstanding production. So there's that. But the other thing to think about is we do tons of double production weeks throughout the year. So, for instance, if you do $5,000 of production that week, and it's a double production week, you get 10,000 points toward the contest. Now, we won't tell you when these weeks are going to be, that's the trick. You have to pay attention to the conference calls to find that out. But these double production weeks are key to making this a surprisingly easy trip to qualify for. This is going to be a 5-night trip, and the dates are going to be September 10th through the 15th of 2017. It's going to be a trip of a lifetime. We can't wait to travel with you. So there you have it. Now you can't say, well, I didn't know how to qualify. Now you know how to qualify. So just go out and do the work, pack your bags, we'll see you in Cancun.